Hey there folks, Andrea Cox here with AndreaCox.com and the detoxintuitive.com. Thank you so much. It's been a minute since I have done a love room video. When I started my YouTube channel, Andrea Cox TV, I used to do weekly videos in my love room, and we are back on the same couch in my love room that I originally started on. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Would you do me a favor? Would you hit the subscribe button, the bell notification button, and then the see all button in the drop down menu and humbly subscribe to my channel? I appreciate each and every one of your subscriptions, and when you're done subscribing here to Andrea Cox TV, hop on over to my new spiritual channel, The Detox Intuitive, and subscribe there. You can also check out all of my cellular detoxification books, Juicing for Beauty, Rawlicious Recipes, and the Digital Detox Program on AndreaCox.com. And for intuitive guidance or private readings, go to thedetoxintuitive.com. I will list all the links in the description box. You guys, I wanted to talk about something today. So many of you know my second YouTube channel, my second business is in doing intuitive readings. I do health readings, Akashic record readings, twin flame readings, and general love readings. And what always amazes me, and this is what I talk about with a lot of my clients, they'll come to me and they'll say, I'm just butting heads with my partner and I don't know why. Well, the first reason why is because they need to go through a cellular detoxification program, and I'll get to that in another video. But when we detox on a cellular level, our heart is able to open more. So things that we would normally tolerate, such as codependency and someone talking to us cruelly or someone trying to control us, just don't happen when we start cleansing the body on a cellular level. So when I say your issues live in your tissues, I really mean your issues live in your tissues. Before you can clean up your life, your financial situation, your business, or your personal relationships, you really have to clean up your body on a cellular level. So that is the importance of detoxifying on a cellular level. That is the reason we actually detoxify, to open the heart. I know when I first went vegan 20 years ago, it was not for the right reasons. It actually wasn't for the animals. It was because I was healing myself of an eating disorder. And what happened about 6 years in, I had always had dogs, I had always rescued animals, but my capacity to love and have a love of the animal kingdom just went through the roof. I was finally able to make the connection between why I truly was vegan, and that was to end animal cruelty. So when we continue to detox on a cellular level, again, our heart, our capacity to see things from an above perspective, our capacity to love on an energetic level, our capacity to love those around us and grow with them and support them, and support them in a way where we can support them as they go through these different changes in their life, really, really opens up. So this is the reason we get into cellular detoxification. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I sure enjoyed shooting it. Be well. Bye-bye.